Model 2008 Vauxhall Vivaro short wheelbase, diesel 2.0 CDTI, 115 PS, van 2.7 T body, white, panel van mileage 153665 MOT. The 13th of December 2023 engine 1995 CCM9R 115 bhpg transmission 6-speed manual front wheel drive mechanical summary starts perfect. Runs with a misfire. Injector number 4 needs replacing, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is average. It'll make a nice well-maintained workhorse once the injector issue is resolved. Someone will land themselves a bargain here. Features: 4 former keepers, EU state